Enjoying the cold weather and viewing the splendid panoramic view of Taal volcano and lake are better done at the Picnic Grove, one of the popular tourist destinations in Tagaytay City. With its built-in cottages and greenish hilly surroundings, the recreational area is just perfect for picnic lovers. This is one of the best places to go if you want a nice view of Taal volcano. There are lots of shops to go to if you want to buy souvenir and cottages to rent if you're on a picnic mode. The 13-hectare picnic grove is more than just a spot to have a picture. It also has a variety of leisure opportunities. Visitors will take souvenir pictures on the 2 zip lines and suspended cable car. Zip line is said to be 250 meters long and 300 feet off the ground. Picnic, zipline, and horseback riding at Tagaytay Picnic Grove is always being looked after for by picnic lovers. This is one of the most popular and most visited recreational areas in Tagaytay City. It has open-air cottages perfect for the picnic getaway with your family or just hang out with friends while enjoying Tagaytay's amazing view and cold weather. A large Ferris wheel will give you a panoramic aerial view of Taal volcano and lake.